Next, we are move on to meaning of balance sheet. So, as far as balance sheet is concerned, it is the financial statement of a company which includes assets, liabilities, equity capital, total debt, etc. at a point in time. So, as far as balance sheet is concerned, which is includes assets on one side and liabilities on the other side. Next, we are move on to objectives of preparation of balance sheet. So, what are the objectives? We can find so many objectives as far as preparation of balance sheet is concerned. Number one, to know the financial position of the business at a particular time. As far as balance sheet is concerned, it will be prepared by a company at the end of the year. At the end of the year, one company can find out the financial position of a business, whatever the assets, whatever the liabilities at a particular time. That means at the end of the year. So that they have to prepare the balance sheet. That is number one. Next, number two, it gives information about the actual and real owner's equity. So, as far as equity is concerned, so many owners they are invested the money to the company. In the same way, some of the money which is invested by the stakeholders are from the outsiders. So that information will also gives as far as balance sheet is concerned. Next, number three, it helps the firm to make provisions against possible future losses. So we all know that out of the profit, every company should reserve some of the they have to maintain some reserves out of the profit as far as possible future losses are concerned. So that is the reason why they have to prepare the balance sheet to provide some of the possible reserves for the purpose of possible future losses. Next, we are move on to differences between balance sheet and trading account. Sorry, balance differences between balance sheet and profit and loss account. So, as far as balance sheet is concerned, it is a statement which shows the financial position of the company on a specific date. I have already told that as far as balance sheet is concerned, what are the assets and liabilities on a particular or specific date. So that should be called as financial position. That should be shown by the balance sheet. And it lists all the ownership, that is assets and owings, that is liabilities of the company. What are the assets which company have at the specific date and what are the liabilities of that particular company. So both are mentioned under balance sheet. But as far as profit and loss account is concerned, it shows the revenue earned and expenses sustained by the company during the course of business in a financial year. What are the revenues which are received or earned, and what are the expenses which are incurred or sustained by a company during the financial year. That should be taken under profit and loss account. So next point, difference between balance sheet and trading account. So as far as balance sheet and trading account are concerned, the balance sheet is a statement of all assets and liabilities of the business on a particular date. We have already discussed and explained. But as far as trading account is concerned, which is prepared to calculate gross profit of a company resulting from the differences between revenue and cost of sales. What are the revenue which are received for a particular year and what are the costs on sales for a particular year. That should be prepared, and it is an account where direct costs are recorded. As far as trading account is concerned, so under trading account, every company should record only the direct cost. So this will be the differences between balance sheet and trading account. Next, Difference between income and expenditure and profit and loss account. As far as income and expenditure and profit and loss account are concerned, income and expenditure which is prepared for finding the excess of income over expenditure or excess of expenditure over income. So that is the difference of income and expenditure account. In the same way, as far as profit and loss account is concerned, it is prepared for finding the net profit or net loss of a company.